Can you be an investor and trader at the same time?
Hey Jimmy, I don't agree with you. How can you be a trader and investor at the same time?
No, you can. Well, basically this is about strategy, right? So as a investor, we can actually invest in the long term, gain that passive income. But at the same time, we know that the stock market actually goes up and down in a cycle. So you take advantage of the cyclical movement and you take profit along the way. So why can't you do trading and investing at the same time?
But the
You can.
mindset is actually very different. Okay, just for one, trading is usually short term. You try to buy and hopefully you can sell at the shortest time to make your gain. But investing, we are always long term, minimum is 3 to 5 years. You know, putting two together is definitely a very conflicting mindset. Don't you agree with me?
Well, I agree. In fact, trading and investing is a totally two different psychology. But then the thing is that if we have a very, very clear objective, knowing exactly what we need to do, then it is obviously possible to do a long-term investment. So for example, I talk about DBS. No, I don't really trade DBS. But then the thing is that with the fundamentals are strong, I actually invest in the long term. But on the other hand, if I spot a counter, for example, the recent hottest stocks, Tesla, and you can see that there is a what we call a momentum trading up, I can actually make a short-term gain. So by splitting these two, I can actually do short-term and the long-term, no issue at all. In fact, I can actually make more money in terms of a short-term trade.
Okay, anyway, Jimmy, trader, investor, me, pure investor. What do you think? Does it work? Does it work for you? Let us know. Let us know in the comment section below, or either that, join us in our next preview so that we can have a further discussion. Can trading and investing coexist?
Yep,
See you then.
see you.